How to draw a carrot. Full step-by-step guide. Drawing a carrot is very simple and fun. Follow these easy steps to create a beautiful carrot drawing using pencil and colours. Steps to draw the carrot 1. Draw the carrot shape. Start by lightly sketching the lower part of the carrot. Draw a long narrow triangle shape with slightly curved sides, making it wider at the top and pointed at the bottom. This is the body of your carrot. 2. Add details to the carrot body. Draw some horizontal curved lines across the carrot to show its natural ridges and texture. Keep the lines light and slightly curved to make it look more realistic. 3. Draw the leaves on the top, wider part of the carrot. Draw several long, thin leaves that spread out in different directions. Make the edges slightly wavy for a natural look. Outline your drawing. Once you're happy with your sketch, go over your lines more firmly with your pencil to define the final shape. 5. Colour the carrot. Colour the entire body of the carrot with a red colour. Note, traditionally carrots are orange, but if you want a red carrot for a creative look, that's fine too. Colour the leaves on top with a bright green colour. Blend the colours smoothly to make your carrot look vibrant and beautiful. Final touches. Erase any extra pencil marks around your drawing to keep it neat. Add shading if you'd like more depth and dimension. Congratulations! You've created a beautiful carrot drawing using simple pencil